Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Welcome to my channel. It's your superwoman, the woman with the vibe, Gift Uchichukwu. Let's dive right into the video. Today we'll be doing screen recording on how to add thumbnail to your video. So many beginners are having this challenge and so many people are having this challenge. Please join this tutorial today. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not done so, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like and share so that when I upload other videos, you will be among the first to see the video. Let's start. Okay, let's do the step by step on how to add your thumbnail. Now scroll down to where your YouTube studio, which you have downloaded on your phone is. This is mine. I've clicked on it. We'll be using this particular channel, Give to Chechukwu channel. Then I will go down to where my video is. The video you want to add the thumbnail to. Maybe there you'll be seeing other of your videos, but that particular video you want to add the thumbnail on, you click on it, then go to the right hand side of your phone. You will see a pencil button or edit button. Click on it. I've clicked on it. It will take me to another page. At the left hand side, you will see the pencil button again. Click on it. This particular page will open. In your own, it will open and be showing that particular video you want to add your thumbnail to. Now, what do? Here now, I will click on this change. Let's assume I want to change. Why it's showing this change is because this particular video has already been added a thumbnail on. So let's assume now I want to change it. But if I don't want to change it, it will be showing custom thumbnail. So I will click on it. It will now bring me to my phone gallery where my videos and my photos are. And before this time, you have already prepared your thumbnail that you want to add to that particular video you have posted on your channel. Now I will go to this particular picture and click on it. Then I will go up and you will see the done button. You click on done button. It will now add to that video. Then you will now click on save. It will now be saved. So on your channel, once you click on that particular video, you will see that thumbnail. That's the first thing that will be showing, because it's the thumbnail that is the selling point of that particular video you posted, that you want people to see, watch, and get attracted to your channel, so that you will have watch hours, subscribers, and viewers, and people who will also comment to your video. So after saving it, you are good to go. Finished. It's a simple step, but just knowing where to click and add. Now there is another thing, another additional thing I want to add. Maybe you don't have a thumbnail. You don't have a thumbnail. But before I continue, have you subscribed to my channel? Please hit the notification bell, like and share, and comment so that when I share other videos, you'll be among the first to see it. Let's continue. Now, the additional point I want to make here, if you don't have a prepared thumbnail, in that particular video you posted on your channel, there are some areas that you will see that are more interesting or captivating. Then when you come to this custom thumbnail, it will section that particular video. You can now click on that particular place, then edit, save. It will now be your custom thumbnail. So I've come to the end on how to add a thumbnail to your videos. Have you subscribed to my channel? Like, share, hit the notification bell so that when I upload other videos, you'll be among the first to get notification. Please like and share. See you in the next video. Bye.